Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something good for you, something new. So this is dropouts, 360 dropouts. So first thing we have to part the hair. I'll be parting first the middle part. All of these dropouts will coming at the middle. Okay, so I have to part first the round part in the middle, the one that I'll be doing the just simple lines to join them, the remaining strands of the cornrows, okay, of the dropouts. All right, so after parting, I'll plait simple lines, only this middle part, I mean here at the center here. So I have to hold the other hair first. So I'll be plaiting this one here. I'm just doing the simple lines. Okay, simple lines. If the hair is strong, you can just plait it that way, but if it's a little bit light, you can add hair of braid strand, yeah, like I'm doing right now, yeah, to add it to be strong, or to make the line to be firm. So that's how it looks. And so I'll start by parting the braid first, and then I'll start by fixing it. So as you start, you have to start like you are doing just a normal cornrow. Okay, so I normally start it this way. So I'll be plaiting as I add. It's not yet time to drop, okay? So I just have to plait, then I add, I plait, I add, I plait, so until I reach where I want to start dropping, okay? So you add a strand of braid, you plait, you make straight, and then you start dropping now. So I add, plait 1, 2, make straight, and then drop. You add again another strand, you plait 1, 2, straight, then you drop. This dropping method is a little bit hard, but it's good for the dropouts. So if you comb, they just go the style you want. If you want them to go side, if you want them to go backwards, if you want them to go, let me say, at the center, yeah, maybe you want to hold a ponytail, it's good, okay? So add your braid, plait 1, 2, make straight, and then you drop. Add another strand of braid, plait 1, 2, straight, and then you have to drop. So you add another strand of braid, plait 1, 2, straight, and then you drop it. So it will reach a time whereby you will be supposed to be dropping like 2 pieces from the hair, yeah. This is what I mean, yeah, 2 pieces like that, because I want these strands when I have the end not to be that thick, so I have to drop the remaining strands that will be on the hair. Okay, so I drop like 1, then I can add another one like that. So shortly I'll be just plaiting without adding, and then I'll be dropping. Okay, so here we go. Oh, wait a minute, I finished this one. So here we go. Just have to plait, and then I drop, I plait, I drop. Know that this place I'm not adding any strand of braid because I want the tail or the ending to be thinner, so that at the center it won't be that bulky. Okay, so that's how it is. You can even drop until you remain with the only hair, I mean only a client's hair without the extension or the braid. Yeah, it will depend with you. So here at the end you have to put a knot if you have the hair remaining. That's how it goes. It's just something simple here. Okay, so guys, let's do another one to show you how it goes again. Yeah, but you can see this one here is fine. All right, you have to fix a strand of braid on the hair or parted hair, and then you plait. Then you add another one as you plait. 1, 2. Add another one. Plait 1, 2. Add another one as you plait. 1, 2. Yeah, so it's time to drop. So add another one again. After adding like this, you plait like 1, 2, you make it straight, and then you drop a strand of braid. All right, remember this method is the best while doing this kind of style. All right, it takes a little bit of time, but it's something good. Okay, your client won't be disappointed. All right, good. So you can see how I tied the knot here, yeah, until where the hair reach, and then I have to put a knot. Just pick a small strand of braid and then you just put round on your finger, and then you flip inside that way, and then you pull it. It's good to go. So here at the middle I have to bring all the tails or the ends together, and so here we go. You have to pick all the ends like that, and these ends I'll be joining them on these lines here, the inner plaited cornrows, that way. I have to hold them like a ponytail this way, and then I'll have to hold them round with a needle and thread. This one here, this one. So let's go. You don't have to make it tight, just simple. As far as it's hold or it's holding, then it's fine to go. Yeah, good. So this part here, because you can see I have a ponytail, it has the strands or the hair. So the part that is looking like it has cornrows or it's open, that part I'll be doing the crochet. I'll be doing crochet for that part. So let's finish first here and then we do the crochet. I'll be using the same hair to do the crocheting, okay? So you don't have to look for another hair. The one you have used to plait is good for doing crochet. So I'll be needing this crochet hook and then a strand of hair, and then I'll crochet down like that. It's under the inner plaited line, and then I have to fold it that way like 3 times so that it can be firm and it won't come out. Okay, so let's do another one. Put your crochet down the line, this one here, lay the hair, close it, and then pull. So, and then you have to fold the hair 3 times, then you make it tight that way, So this is how it looks. You see there's no space, and now the hair is ready to be styled. So this hair you can just style any design you want. You can make a ponytail with it. You can make let me say like pushback. You can make one side styling. You can make also, let me say like yeah, any style. Yes, so that's how it looks at the back. Remember, all of these lines were coming at the center. Okay, if you don't want the front part to look too open, you can start a little bit from the hairline, but it won't look that good. Okay, so you can style it that way. This one is also good. Yeah, it's also like a bridal style. Yeah, it's also nice. Yes. We have many styles that you can hold the hair with. Yeah, if you have clips, you can do a bridal style. If you have bands, you can hold them ponytail. It will depend how you want it to be. Okay, so this one is just a pushback. You just have to hold it at the back. Yeah, but you have to pick the one under the ears like this, and then use it to hold. Okay, so that the front part can remain puffy. Like that. You can use a clip, yeah, or pins, or even a hairband. So we have another one. It's a half. You can also hold it. You hold half, which is this one here coming, this one. So you can do it that way if you like it. Yeah. Okay, and another one, you can just leave them hanging like that, or you can part it, let me say sideways. You can let it flow sideways, that way. This way looks like a weave, huh? Yeah, you can let it flow that way if you like the style. Okay, so that's how it looks. So guys, you can still part it at the lower part of the ear, only one side like this one, and then it will be fine. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.